Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you again a brief clip taken from a long video I've just recorded for my subscribers. I think you will like it. If you like to have further information about my service, my website, please stay on after the clip ends and I'll talk to you again. Wishing you a great week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. In this video I have many charts. Some comments here up front. I think that the dollar index is at really an important point here. We're looking at a critical week, in my opinion, the next week or two, that would give us a clear signal whether we are looking at some sort of bottom in the dollar index, or we are actually this is a stop on the way for a lot lower. Concerning precious metals, I see them holding at a fairly high level for now. The oil, the same situation. I see it still pretty firm, and I wouldn't rule out consolidation at these levels and going higher. Bonds are not ready to crash big time. I think that they're still in the process of correction, and it doesn't look to me like it's over. Stock market. If you don't have a position, I wouldn't go short or long. I would just wait on the sidelines as I'm doing myself. I think that the bears have not gained the upper hand as far as I'm concerned. I don't see decisive signals for that yet. And covering last, I will look at also some grains. Very interesting ongoing developing situation in the grains. So here are the charts that I have in this video. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar Swedish krona, US dollar Canadian dollar, British pound US dollar, Australian dollar US dollar South African rand, gold, silver, Brent crude, gas oil traded in London, and then the euro bond, long yields, USD bond continuous chart, and then the TYX, the FVX, and then the S&P 500, and S&P 400, S&P 100, that's the OX, and then the DAX, FTSE cash, and I'll terminate with a look at the grains. That's wheat, soybeans, and soybean meal. Okay, before actually going through with the chart, okay, that's the US dollar, South African rand, and with all the gyrations up and down in other currencies, this one fairly steady. You can see that's the daily. My wave count is working very well here. I had this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. That appears to me like an okay false wave. Maybe not over, but the projection is intact. It is probably coming on the. It is on the way to retest 660, 655. We're coming to look at gold. Okay, that's the daily going back here to October. But let's open it further here. As you can see, gold is still holding at a fairly high level, above overhead, above support at around 1400s. The pattern, as I'm showing here, gives hope. As far as the bulls are concerned, I think that there is scope here for the movement here to become fourth wave. However, if it breaks through 1400 this week and it closes under, that's bad news. I think it will project a move possibly to 1320, if not lower. Let me show you the 60 minutes. And you can see that takes this as a 1, 2, potential 4, potential 3, and the deal here, and that is part of the correction of fourth wave I have in mind. But if it does break, if it does break under the area here and start consolidating here, that's bad news. That's bad news. I think it will likely project going way lower. We had a spectacular reversal in silver. I was not far with my projection, although it did dip quite a bit lower, but the manner in which it reversed was most impressive. This is the daily going back to June. Do you see the orange line? I spoke about it yesterday, and look carefully what it did yesterday. It dipped under and reversed. This is a pretty powerful price action as far as the bulls are concerned. I think this is reassuring. One thing must be altered in this chart, and I left it on purpose to show you the logic that I'm using. This can't be 1, 2, 3, 4. Forget it. And I'll go one step further. I just don't know what is the wave count here. I don't know. I don't want to fill it up with too many question marks, but I really don't know what's the wave count from this spot to this spot. There are quite a number of options. There is a very nice looking, well-structured run up here, 5 legs. Is that a 1, 2, 1, 2? Possible. That does look to me a pretty big correction. To be part of a smaller scale inside a 1-2, you see. I don't know what is the right wave count here. What I do know, what I told you yesterday, let me show you, that could prove to be that is looking to me like a triangle here, and the deep could prove to be just a correction. And look at this massive surge. So the triangle idea is still on. That could be an A, that's a B, that was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it seeks to go higher. Certainly short term it wants to go higher. Look at that. That appears to me like a triangle, and it appears to me that it has not finished the 5 legs that began from here. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4th wave, wants to run slightly higher. And you can trade, if you don't want to trade the futures, you can look at the ETF SLV symbol or think about the options. There are other options to get involved here without necessarily getting the futures contract, which by now is very risky in terms of the volatility and the wide range volatility that you have here. I don't think many can cope with this kind of volatility, but there are other options. And you can see this is the 60 minutes. That would probably qualify as a first leg up. We get a nice consolidation above 36, 35, 75, and then the pop above, and you could go for it. That would probably project a move at least on this scale, but I think 2 times what you see here. 2 times, if you count that this is a 1, 2, you'll have the 3rd, you'll have the 4th, you'll have the 5th. So there's a big move coming once it breaks above 36.50, showing you this kind of pattern. Definitely interesting situation. And you remember the Australian dollar, US dollar? Take a look there, because if you get a breakout there along with a run up in silver, this is an absolutely powerful combination that would lead for a major revaluation of silver. To the homepage of my website, I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos, today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind, you want to continue, you use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.